In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create a slide to shutdown shortcut to turn off your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to procedure at the desktop where no specific icons or shortcut has been selected. In this blank space, make a right click, go with new, and please proceed to shortcut. Here in this new window, you need to type the location of the item. So please type for slide to shutdown. .exe. Again, it is SlideToShutDown.exe. Click on next. And here you need to type the name for this shortcut. Please rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting shutdown as the name of this shortcut. Click on finished and you'll be able to successfully create a shortcut for slide to shutdown. But before that, we need to change the icon first. So by that, make a right click and then you need to go with the properties. And here at the properties, please proceed to the change icon and click on OK. So from here, okay, you need to copy this path, okay? Don't worry because I have included this one in the description box below so you can copy and paste it here. Once you're good, please proceed to this slide shutdown icon. Click on OK to set it, click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, you'll be able to change the icon. So by that, when you double tap here, you would be able to slide to shut down your PC. In that way, you'll be able to turn off your PC by sliding this one to here. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.